Washington, D.C. is a city live with history and culture. There are so many things to do in D.C. that it can be hard to know where to get started. So, I'm sharing with you my top 5 things to do in D.C. to help you plan your visit. Let's get started. Number 1, the National Mall and Smithsonian Museums. Here, millions come every year to honor heroes and to take in our nation's history. Next, head to one of the Smithsonian museums like the Air and Space Museum or the Natural History Museum. Like all Smithsonians, these museums are free. Number 2, the National Zoo. The zoo is the perfect place to spend a fun day with family and friends. As the home to over 2,000 individual animals, it's well worth your visit and also free. Coming in at number 3 is the Adams Morgan neighborhood in Northwest. Here they have amazing international food, trendy coffee houses, and eclectic indie stores selling records, vintage clothing, books, and more. However, Adams Morgan really comes alive at night, so head back after hours for some of the city's best nightlife. For number 4, we're headed to Ben's Chili Bowl on U Street. It's a little known fact that the Half Smoke actually originated in DC, and Washingtonians' favorite place to get one is at Ben's, where they've been serving locals for over 50 years. Number 5. Eastern Market in Capitol Hill is DC's premier food and arts market. My favorite time to visit is on weekends when they have their outdoor farmers and flea market. If you're looking to get a real taste of the city, this is a great place to go off the beaten path. So there you have it. This list gives you just a taste of what the city offers. There are so many more sights to see and neighborhoods to explore that you're just gonna have to come and see it for yourself. Bye!